Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Dishwasher Spray Arm. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new spray arm. The spray arm helps clean the dishes in the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's clogged or damaged and your dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door and pull out the upper rack. Now that we have the upper dish rack pulled out, we have access to the spray arm. It's just clipped onto the rack in two spots. There's one in the front and one in the back. In order to get the spray arm off, we're just going to grab it from underneath and push back on the front mounting spot. Once you have it released, pull down and pull it off the dish rack. Here's the old spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new spray arm on, we're just going to line up the front and rear mounting spots and then pull forward to lock it in. Once you have it snapped on, you can push the upper rack back in, close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.